Hey guys, this is Swamdeep. Today I will explain array and operation on array and different aspect that closely related with the array. Okay, so like array declaration, array initialization, array terminology, one-dimensional array, and operation on array. Okay, so first I want to tell you actually a simple definition of array, which is a array is the data structure which store the homogeneous element at successive memory location. Okay, homogeneous element actually, and successive memory location means the equal distance between uh, each of the each of the element that is stored in the array, and the next address of next base address of the array will be incremented by uh, equal data type that which is the size of array. Okay, suppose I am taking the integer type array, so the successive memory location means first address will be like something suppose just I'm telling the example success memory location like this suppose okay suppose this is the base address of 0 means the second will be a 2. This is the base address will be second element, and similarly you can say 8. Okay, because here you can see that each difference is 2 byte. Okay, so this is the successive memory location, and now I'm going to tell you what is array declaration, array initialization. Okay, so here you can see that I have example. So here this is the one dimensional array, and this is the array declaration, and this is array initialization. Okay, and you can also initialize the element of the array that by during the execution time like this. Okay, I will provide the element to the array when it will execute. Okay, this is the scanning by using scanner function, uh, and next is array initialization. I have been told array terminology means these are the terminologies like size, type, base, index, range, word, like this. Okay, so size means what is the capacity of the array. Okay, means how much element it will be stored. Okay, this is size. And type means which type of element it will store. Suppose I am taking an integer type variable, so that's mean it will store into integer type values. And base means the base of each elements in the array like 0 1 this. Okay, so the base means the first elements, I mean the base address of the first element is 0. Okay, because array is always start from 0 to 0 to the size of the array. Okay, I will tell you each of thing with the example. Index value means index, this is a 3 is the index. Okay, this is the index, and the base address of each one dimensional array will be 0. Okay, because first it initialize from it start from the 0, and if here is the index 3, that means will be it will store 3 elements, and the elements will be stored at base address 0 1 2. Okay, and in the case of if a type array, it will store the element at 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the concept, and this is the index value. And now I'm going to tell you what is range. Actually, range means suppose okay, so here is the 5 elements. Okay, it will store 5 elements, it will store 3 elements, so it means its range is 0 to 2. Okay, 0 1 2, this is the range 0 to 2, and its range will be 0 to 4. This is the range. Okay, from initial element to the end element. And another is one dimensional array. As I told you, this is the this is one dimensional array, and you can easily understand it. And one operation on array like insertion, deletion, searching, merging, sorting, these are the sorry insertion, deletion, searching, merging, these are the operation. Like insertion means if you want to put any element that has been already defined in the program, so this is the process of process of putting that element is called insertion, and deletion is erasing any element from the array which are already presented in the array. This is called deletion. Searching means if you want to find out a particular element from the collection of element in array, this is called searching. Merging means if you want to merge lot of elements in the array, and you can also merge the arrays. Okay, this is called merging. Sorting means if you want to organize each of element according to their values, okay, according to their name, this is called sorting. Now actually I want to tell you a smart difference. Means this is really maybe know somebody. So what is the difference between, I mean, here is the difference between integer type array and character type array. Okay, so integer type array means it is not I mean, it will look like this. Okay, but it will look like this, and at the end of integer type array no element will be stored. But if you taking a character type array, means the null operator means like null operator means okay, wait please. Null operator means this is the null operator. Okay, and it will organize in wait please, it will organize in single quote. Okay, this is the null operator. And if you taking a character type array, then that null operator will automatically add it to the end of the element. Okay, this here it will automatically added. Okay, so this is the difference between integer and character type array. So here you can see that I have a program, and here I'm using both in dynamic initialization and normal initialization of the array. So I wanna run this program, then I will explain why here asking for okay, enter 5 elements for array, suppose 6 4 3 2 like this. So here you can see that this is the elements of the array A, and this is the element of the array B. 2 3 4, this is the element of the array B, and this is the element of array A. So this the array will be the dynamic initialization, and array B is the normal initialization. Okay, so this is the difference, and I hope you know it will, because here the loop will execute 5 times from 0 to 4. Okay, and this loop also will execute 4 times 0 to 4, and this loop is usual for scanning the value, means whatever value I will provide, this is done by those value will be stored at a of 0, because here first time 0, here 0 will be here. Okay, so a of 0 first element will be stored a of 0, second element will be stored at 0, a of 1, like this. Okay, and similarly after whenever I will have scan the value of each element, I mean scan the value of the array, then I will print those value here. Okay, simply you can see this. And thanks for watching my video. If you have any confusion, any query related to videos, please put on my channel. I will respond as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.